Ready for a deep dive into freelance writing?
Always ready.
Today, we're looking at not just how to make it as a writer, but how AI, specifically ChatGPT, can be like your secret weapon.
Exactly. A total game changer.
Now, we know you're looking to build a successful side hustle, right?
Well, that's right.
So these resources you've given us are key. We're talking about potentially earning like hundreds of dollars per article.
Oh, yeah.
Serious impact.
Absolutely. And understanding the demand is key, right? Businesses need content, websites, blogs, social media. The list goes on.
It does. So much content needed constantly.
And that's where the opportunity is, for sure.
It is. You could be writing about like renewable energy one day, then crafting social media posts for a tech startup the next.
The variety is huge.
And you pick what resonates with you.
Totally.
Plus, you're the boss of your schedule.
Big perk.
Work from anywhere, anytime.
Laptop and internet, you're good to go.
Exactly. Low barrier to entry.
But there is another side to that coin, of course.
Right. There's always a catch.
Yeah, the income can be inconsistent, especially starting out. Finding clients and managing your own time effectively takes work.
It's like that self-discipline thing, huh?
Big time. You're your own boss, deadlines, organization, and delivering quality work consistently. All on you.
Okay, so let's talk about this ChatGPT thing, these AI tools, and how they can be helpful to a freelance writer. Can you break this down for us?
Absolutely.
I mean, an AI that can help you write? It's wild.
Wild is a good word. ChatGPT offers several key features. One of the biggest is research capability.
Okay, research.
Imagine you need info on, say, the latest trends in sustainable fashion.
Mm-hmm. Tons of research needed there.
Right. Instead of spending hours digging through articles, websites...
Hours, so many hours.
You just ask ChatGPT straight up, what are the current trends in sustainable fashion? Boom. It summarizes it for you, saves so much time.
So it's like a super-powered research assistant.
Exactly, like having someone on your team.
Wow, and that's just one thing it can do.
Oh, that's just the start. ChatGPT can also assist with content generation.
Like actually write the content.
Yeah, let's say you're stuck on an intro for an article, benefits of yoga. You tell ChatGPT your target audience, key points you want to hit.
I see, give it some direction.
Right, and it'll generate some options for you. It gets those creative juices flowing.
Like a brainstorming partner.
Exactly. Helps with writer's block.
And we all get that.
Oh yeah, all the time.
Yeah.
And don't forget, language optimization. ChatGPT analyzes your writing, suggests ways to improve it. Maybe a simpler phrase here, a more impactful sentence there.
Like an editor built right in.
Exactly. An objective perspective on your work.
Okay, but all this amazing potential aside, how do we actually find paying clients? I mean, like, that's got to be on everyone's mind.
Right. That's the key. There are a few avenues. One popular option is job boards, online platforms where clients post projects, sites like Upwork, Freelancer, ProBlogger.
I've heard of those. Seem competitive, though.
They can be, but it's a good way to get your foot in the door, build your portfolio.
So the portfolio is key.
Huge. Clients want to see what you're capable of.
What exactly should that include? Like, what should we be showcasing?
It should include a variety of samples that demonstrate your skills, your versatility.
Okay, versatility, good
Right.
word.
So if you're into blog posts, include those. Comfortable to different styles, show them off.
So clients see you can adapt.
Exactly. Different audiences, different purposes.
Got it. And what about platforms, like to actually host this portfolio?
There are tons of options. Contently, clippings.me, even a personal website.
So many choices.
But even before that, Medium, LinkedIn, great for getting your writing out there, building a following.
Sort of a pre-portfolio to get noticed.
Yeah, establish yourself as a thought leader in your niche.
Love it. So job boards, portfolio. What else is there?
Cold pitching. Reaching out directly to businesses or publications you'd like to write for.
Cold pitching sounds scary.
It can be, but it can be incredibly rewarding.
So worth it if it works out.
Definitely, you're offering a valuable service, and tons of businesses are looking for good writers.
Okay, but how do you even start? I wouldn't even know what to say.
Research. Before you pitch, understand the company, the publication you're targeting, what kind of content they do, their audience, their pain points.
Show them you get them.
Exactly, and highlight your relevant skills, your experience.
I see. Tailor it to their needs.
Yeah, you've written about similar topics before. Mention it. Have special expertise. Emphasize it.
Don't be shy.
Right. And keep it short, to the point. Editors are busy people. Get straight to it, what you offer, and links to your portfolio.
Like an elevator pitch, but written.
Exactly. Make it easy for them.
So research, tailoring, and highlighting expertise. Anything else?
Don't be afraid to follow up. If you don't hear back, a polite email can go a long way.
It's like dating. Gotta play it cool, but stay persistent.
Huh, in a way, yeah.
Okay, job boards, portfolios, cold pitching.
Hmm,
What about networking? How can that help?
essential. Connecting with other writers, editors, content managers, anyone in the industry can open doors.
It's who you know, right?
It helps, for sure. Attending events, online communities, even LinkedIn, valuable ways to build relationships
Referrals, collaborations.
and just understanding the industry better.
Totally.
But remember, networking isn't about favors, it's building genuine relationships, sharing knowledge, supporting each other.
Okay, good to remember. So, finding clients, check.
Check.
Now, how do we maximize earning potential as freelance writers? I mean, let's be real. We want to get paid for all this hard work.
Of course, and there are strategies for that. One of the most effective, specialization.
Specialization, like picking a niche.
Exactly. If you're a jack of all trades, it's hard to stand out. Focus on an area, become an expert.
You become the go-to person.
You got it. That expertise lets you command higher rates, attract clients who'll pay a premium.
So instead of being good at a lot of things.
You're amazing at one thing.
Makes sense, but how do you even pick a niche?
Think about your passions, skills, experience. What do you enjoy writing about? What are you good at? What work have you done that you could leverage?
It's like finding your zone of genius.
Exactly. Combining what you love with what people will pay for.
Powerful stuff.
It is. And once you've chosen it, showcase it. Share your knowledge on social media, write guest posts, network with other professionals in that area.
Be seen as the authority.
Exactly.
So specialization is key. What else can boost earning potential?
Keep improving your skills. The writing world's always evolving. Got to stay sharp. Courses, workshops, books, articles, practice. It all helps.
Makes you more valuable.
Exactly. And justifies higher rates.
Investing in yourself.
Absolutely. And don't forget about upselling.
Ooh, upselling. Tell me more.
Once you've got a good client relationship, proven your value, offer additional services. Editing, proofreading, SEO optimization, content strategy consulting,
More bang for their buck.
and more income for you. You become a one-stop shop.
Smart. What about retainer agreements? Those seem like a dream.
They are. Client pays you a set fee each month for a certain amount of work.
Guaranteed income.
You got it? Helps with the financial planning for sure.
Every freelancer's dream.
For sure. But it takes time to build those relationships.
Trust and all that.
Absolutely. Consistent quality work, proving your value.
Makes sense.
And speaking of time management is huge for freelancers.
It's so easy to get off track when you work for yourself.
It is setting goals, creating a schedule, prioritizing. It all helps.
So much to handle.
It is. But with the right approach, freelance writing can be incredibly rewarding.